If your vehicle still has the old school halogen headlight bulbs, you can upgrade these yellow looking lights to these beautiful white looking LED lights. In this video, I will take you through the process to easily replace your old halogen headlight bulbs, and I will be using the AUXITO brand. They have LEDs for a lot of different make and model motor vehicles, so check out the link in the description below. Before I unbox these LEDs, I will remove the old halogen headlight bulbs. Unplug the electrical connector by squeezing the release clips and push downwards. Twist the bulb to the right or clockwise to remove and pull out. I'll do the same for the other side. Now let's do the unboxing and comparison. This is a pair of halogen reverse light bulbs, and I will also be upgrading these halogen reverse light bulbs to much brighter AUXITO LEDs in a separate video, so look out for that. These are the original H11 halogen bulbs just removed from the vehicle, which will be upgraded to these AUXITO LEDs. Let's do the unboxing. The first thing here is the user manual and installation guide. This is the LED, and the weight of this LED suggests that it is made from quality material. It has an OEM design, so it is expected to fit perfectly. As you can see, it is similar in design to the H11 halogen OEM bulb. One difference is the length, as you can see here. This LED has a cooling fan at the top to prevent overheating. Not having a ballast will make the installation for these much easier. To install these LED bulbs, I will just need to reverse the steps made to remove them. Insert and twist to the left or anti-clockwise. Then connect the electrical connector firmly. Ensure that it is properly locked in place. Let's now move to the other side. I will only need to remove this windscreen washer fluid tank out of the way. Properly connect the electrical connector. This is how they look in the daylight. Now let's compare these AUXITO LEDs with the regular halogen bulbs at night. Right now the halogen bulbs are installed and they provide great lighting. Now take a look at the AUXITO LEDs. This is the halogen bulb again, and now this is the LED again. Now look at them side by side. White LED lights are just more appealing to me and they give better lighting. You can be the final judge of the improvement. This is just for the low beam. You can also upgrade your high beam bulb, fog light bulb, license plate bulb, and interior lighting. See links to those products in the description below. Before you go, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, now it's a good time to do so. See you on the next one, guys.